when one loses wealth, one loses the chance to experience the riches of life. When one loses love, one loses the chance to experience the joys of life. But when one loses music, one loses life itself. So it couldn't be more appropriate for children at a very young age to start appreciating, performing, and truly enjoying the joys of life, love, and music all in one when they experience this very process of learning music. Music without, life without music is literally experiences without color. So I have to congratulate the children first for having gone through this process. And you may have done it because your parents forced you to do it, but believe me, it is something that you would be so thankful for years to come. But I have to say to you that there are two things that are perhaps yet needed as you go through this journey. One is the constancy of purpose. You have to stay with it for years to come. And two, it's the industry, it's the hard work and dedication that you have to put in. What you put in is exactly what you're going to get out of it. And I truly commend you for the commitment that you've shown so far, but realize that it's a very long, long journey. It's not a destination. It's the journey that you have to enjoy. So once again, congratulations to you all. And I have to applaud Brahadwani and Artlings for truly doing something that is inspiring. And you know, at the end of the day, everything that we do has a commercial angle to it. But by God, you know, when you're able to do it, which has such an uplifting purpose, you're truly blessed. So I wish Sadhana and Sudhir and you know, Dr. Karakudi and others that have actually made this thing possible, kudos to you, and I truly feel humbled to be in your presence. Thank you.